Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be covering how to use our trenching worksheet in ProEstimate.net. Before I get started, I do want to mention that we also have hauling, blasting, and mobilization worksheets available as well, but in this video I'm just going to be touching on trenching. So let's get started. So for my pay item list, I've got this 18-inch concrete pipe pulled up, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And next to worksheets here, I've got my icons for all my different worksheets, so I'll just hover over this one to pull up trenching. And here's my trenching worksheet. Now, as I fill out this worksheet, I want you to pay attention to what's going on the right here, because as I fill in my inputs, my outputs are going to start to update. I also want to mention that this image here correlates with your input section. So for example, A is your pipe size, B is your trench width, and so on. And this is just to help you visualize exactly what you're filling out. So let's start filling out these inputs. I'm going to leave 400 feet as the pipe run length. And under that is where I can select the shape and size of my pipe. So I'm going to stick with round and fill out that 18 inches. Under trench width, I'm going to go with 3 feet, total depth 3 feet, and trench height 4 feet. Slope angle I'll keep as 1:1, and for my backfill type, I'll stick with bedding only. Bedding depth I'm going to set to 6 inches, and I've got a few pre-filled sections here, but I do want to set my bedding stone. So I'll look up number 57 stone, put that there. And there you go. So once again, as I've filled in my inputs, my outputs have updated over here. I can also check this box if I want my rock quantity to be calculated. So you can see that's updated to 133.333. And my bedding stone that I'll need is 37.917 tons. Trench width 3 feet. Waste quantity 81.735, and so on. So now what I'm going to want to do is load this into my estimate. So all I have to do is hit load stone, and that'll update the quantities in my estimate. So there you have it. This is a really easy but powerful tool to be using while you're estimating. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can also visit our website at omenco.com. Thank you so much for watching.